Hello, welcome everybody. This is Patrick Brando Group, always in central London, doing another successful project. Now, we're about to install the counters. Now, this is the project basically of the counters, okay? So once you've been discussing with the customers, you know, the type of layout, where are the seatings, what type of lighting system, well, the counters, they're gonna be here sooner or later. Now, my best suggestion I give to anyone, and even interior designers, never do a building works for counters, never built up like a wall. They have to be modular. Why? Because especially if it's a startup, the customers needs to adapt his business to the type of different food or drinks or products he's gonna sell. So modular, always. And made in Italy. Remember, if you're looking to open a successful restaurant or a business here in London or everywhere in the world, we have the company for you. If you're looking to find a business partner, we can help you. If you want to sell your business, we can help you. If you're looking to find financial solutions, we can help you. www.brandogroup.co.uk. We specialize in taking care of your ideas.